Hi everyone, here we've got LG Wing, and let me share with you how to check IMEI and serial number on this device. So actually we've got two different options to choose from. The very first one to check the IMEI is to use the dialer and a secret code, and the second is using the settings. Of course I will show you both options. Let's begin with the dialer, so let's tap on it in order to enter. Let's tap on dial, and let me show you the code which is responsible for opening the IMEI info, which is *#06#. And as you can see by this code, we are provided with both IMEI numbers attached to this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another option which will provide you with IMEI numbers and also a serial number of this device. So let's tap on the settings. Now we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system, and here let's tap on about phone. And as you can see, actually on the very first page we've got the serial number right here and IMEI numbers attached to the SIM slots. If for some reason you cannot find those info right here, no worries, you can simply tap on the status, and here you can check the IMEI, and after tapping on hardware info you can check the serial number of this device. So actually that's all. This is how to check IMEI and serial number in your LG Wing. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.